President-elect Trump is poised to up the ante on tariffs. He is now threatening to place new taxes on goods from Mexico, Canada, and China. It is part of Trump's plan to stop illegal immigration and illegal drugs at the border. Economists worry about the strain it could place on American consumers and if the tariffs could kick off a new wave of inflation. ABC's Perry Russum has more on the potential impact on your money.
This morning, President-elect Trump promising to impose a 25% tariff on all products coming into the U.S. from Canada and Mexico. Trump blaming both countries for the wave of undocumented immigrants and illegal drugs in the U.S. Trump says the tariffs will stay in effect until Canada and Mexico solve what he calls a long-simmering problem.
Broad-based tariffs across the board, that's going to lead to more inflation.
The tariffs may violate a trade agreement between the U.S., Mexico, and Canada that was signed by Trump in 2019. It allows for mostly free trade between the three countries.
The USMCA is the fairest, most balanced, and beneficial trade agreement we have ever signed into law. It's the best agreement we've ever made.
Trump also calling for an additional 10% tariff on products coming from China. The Chinese embassy in Washington says the trade cooperation between the U.S. and China has been mutually beneficial, and no one will win a trade war or a tariff war. Canada's Deputy Prime Minister and Public Safety Minister jointly saying Canada will continue to discuss these issues with the incoming administration. It comes as Special Counsel Jack Smith has moved to dismiss his cases against Trump. That includes the election interference case and classified documents case. The judge overseeing the election interference case dismissing the case yesterday. Justice Department policy prohibits Smith from prosecuting a sitting president. Smith writing in court documents, the government's position on the merits of the defendant's prosecution has not changed, but the circumstances have. Trump has denied all wrongdoing in both cases. Trump writing online, the cases are empty and lawless and should have never been brought. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.